Good day, ma'am and sir. Please consider me as an applicant for the job position you're seeking for. I believe that it requires a lot of patience and hard work, which I both possess. I am Elio Jovelin Ritos, 38 years old. I do not have any long-term medication or maintenance. I do not have any history of serious illness or disease. I do not have tattoo on my body. I am married and have two children, ages 16 and 14 years old, both boy. I graduated from high school in the Sisters of Mary School and completed the trainings in fields of technical and vocational course in culinary arts, advanced computer, advanced dressmaking, pattern drafting, bookkeeping, and electronics troubleshooting. I do not have work experience in Hong Kong. I had been a housemaid here in Philippines for 4 years from 2021 to 2025. My main duties are taking care of children, cooking, doing laundry and ironing, marketing, car washing, and gardening. My preferred duties are taking care of newborn baby, children 1 year old and above, healthy grandma, taking care of cats, big and small dogs, cooking. I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food, house cleaning, doing laundry and ironing, car washing, gardening, and marketing. I am willing to share a room if I don't have any room as in servant. I am willing to share work with a Filipino or Indonesian maid. I can sing a lullaby or nursery rhyme for your baby and kids like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Hoping that you will give me a chance to prove my worth as a diligent worker. I look forward to hear from you very soon. Thank you very much.